So we're at the waterfall. What's the waterfall called?
It's the La Fortuna waterfall, just outside La Fortuna where we're staying. And we're about to hike down to it.
Hike down to it. We think it's just steps, but people are calling it a hike.
It's quite a long way.
It does look quite a long way. I'm sure it'll be fine, but we're going to get splashed around the waterfall for a little bit. Should be fun. And yeah.
Butterfly.
You excited?
Very excited.
Nearly at the waterfall.
We've reached the waterfall!
Might get pretty here in a minute.
Hooray! It's so pretty. Look at it.
Look at it, camera! Woo! Oh, Pippa, are you thirsty? Having a lot to drink? This is Ali looking like a